Hmm. Hello, my lovely people. How are you all doing? So, in this video, let's create a military bag. Hello, guys, and welcome to another video. In this video, we are taking a look at how to create a military bag. It's a duffel bag. So, let's get started. So, I'm using Marvelous Designer to create this bag, and right now, I'm just trying to create all the sides of the bag which will be sewed together. Um, Make sure you hit the like button to like this video if you like this video, so that it helps me reach more audience, and subscribe to view the final result of this video, which will be in ZBrush, which is the next video I'll be making, and we'll be detailing it further. So for now, I have made all the sides of that and trying to sew them all together so that they can become one big box, cloth box. And the shape that you are seeing inside, you can make it in any software such as Maya or ZBrush. It's just have to be of that shape what you want it to be inside, or your bag to have that shape. So if you have symmetry on, you will have a hard time sewing it, because I am sewing it in Z direction. I have symmetricized on the back side, so that's why it is giving me some issues. But no worries, we have unlit few of them, and then I just sewed it, and now here we have it all stick together. I'm setting up the material and trying to fix some roughness here and there, just for the visual purpose, nothing else. And I have gone with a cotton material here, so that it gave me a cottonish feel. I was playing with the pressures a little bit. You can play with it if you want to achieve certain result which gives you a fluffy or that stuffed look, but it was not giving me the same result. It was kind of a little bit of air is filled. So now I'm pushing my avatar down so that it feels like the bag is light down on the ground. It's just light there, it's just kept there. So trying to figure out what wrinkles look better, and here right now I am giving it an internal line where we will add the pouch. So I have created some more patterns, then place them accordingly, sew them accordingly, and we will have a pouch very easily. So make sure your objects, everything what you have inputted, or you are creating a new file, it should be in centimeter. You're working in centimeter. When you start your Marvelous, it will ask you whatever preference you want to give. I have the basic interface set up according to Maya controls, so my Maya controls are working here. I am figuring out another pouch, so I just sewed another piece there. There we have the bag base ready. So now I can add few details. I can merge those parts. I just place them side by side, and then I'll merge the edges so that that piece of fabric looks seamless. You must be hearing some noise. It's from the background. I'm sitting beside a window, so it's coming there. I hope you are learning something. You have seen a few tricks here and there. If you like the video, do press like it. I really appreciate it. And subscribe if you are new around here, because I will keep posting new tutorials, new videos almost every day. So have a look out for that. And if you wanna watch a full length video, you can head over to my Patreon and you can watch full length there. My step-by-step process, every clicks and everything. So I am just adding a few patterns here and there to make the belt as well as straps, some internal lines for zipper to be come later in ZBrush. So I have added one more material which will work as a leather. I'll give leather preset on it and make it some strengthen. I'll make it harden. I'll give some strengthen on it so that it behaves like a leather, a hard leather. However you want, you can do it. You want to make it strengthen like that. Here I am sewing this piece on the internal line that we have made on the front part of this bag, so that it looks something like this, and the top part will float. We'll sew everything together, make it believable. So since I said my model is already working in Z direction, so my symmetry is a little weird. That's why I have to unlink, but it works fine for me. Yeah. So many trucks today, come on man. These water tankers are there. Pain in the ass. Okay, so here we are merging everything, sewing everything around so that we have 4 of those straps floating in the air or space. Then we will merge them and create our handle from where you pick up the bag. I hope the bag looks good to you. So further along in the next or next to that video, I will show you how to retopologize in Maya so that you can bring it to Painter and texture it and place it in your level, use it as a prop or whatever. So that is my way of merging this. Then I figured that one of the strap is flipped when I merged it. So reverse sew it and then it worked. I kept them alongside, side by side, and to make a pin, you just have to hold the W key from the keyboard and click on the cloth. It will create a pin, and when the pin is there, you don't remove, or it's just like stuck, hanging along that pin. I'm just figuring out how to make them come near, and here I am adding another piece of fabric on top of it or leather, and then I will sew them to create a handle. Here we have the handle. And I'm just placing whatever pieces the eye is placing the handle. Here what you see got orange. I just press strengthen by right clicking the patterns. Whatever you want to make strengthen, select the pattern, right click on the preview and click strengthen. Now comes another piece of belt which goes along. That is a shoulder belt that you wear when you carry the bag sometimes. That will attach to one end of that bag to the other end of the bag. It should be a fairly long belt so that it looks good, as well as it occupies and breaks some of the silhouette. Breaking silhouette and adding some silhouette is very important for 3D because it gives shape and interesting volume to the object. See, we have some other piece of fabric line there which makes it a little bit more interesting, not very boring. Try to add such details in your work as well, which makes the asset believable, natural, as well as interesting, not boring. And I'm just figuring out a way to place it, not very near, not way too far. Make it strengthen and Make it look natural and try to freeze the part. If you have a low configuration or even high configuration, it's better to keep the shape whatever you like and freeze it by pressing Ctrl K on the keyboard. Select the pattern, press Ctrl K, it'll freeze it. And now I am creating few more patterns so that my belt can have another handle which goes on shoulder, which is a shoulder pad. So that I'm trying to do here. It's a very easy bag. You just need to figure out what patterns you want to make where. Do not copy pattern from the internet. Do not trace your patterns from any 2D image. I would say go my way, because it will keep your mind focused. Whatever is not working, you can tweak it, because you can't excuse or give reason that no, that pattern was like that and I only traced that, it should work. Sometimes it doesn't work. So go as whatever. Create what you like, wherever thick you want, big you want, create the pattern, change accordingly. Do not trace or copy any other pattern. If you see any sci-fi or any other shirt, how will you make it if you don't find the pattern? You have to start somewhere. So start at some point, build your way through. And here we have our bag finished. It's fairly easy. Very easy patterns, arrangements, small patterns. You just have to figure out how that bag is made in real life, or you can say how you have to make it. Yeah, I'm just adding a badge which can later be a nameplate or something. So, yeah, if you like the video, great. If you learned something, very good. Try it out. Do not skip it. Try something in normal, something simple, not bad. Maybe a t-shirt or a pant or something. Little bag will work so good. Try something, create something and post it. You can find me on Instagram as well. So I'll see you there. Cheers. Bye bye. Take care. Hmm. Hmm.